This video will introduce how to configure components required for using the RL78 ELCL function in the eSquare Studio. At the end, we also introduce how to import the sample project for multiple parameter monitoring. When using the sample project, the components are already configured, so you can generate code immediately. Please watch till the end. Now, following part 1, we will explain the configuration of the Smart Configurator. First, open the Clock tab and set F-Clock, CPU Peripheral Hardware Clock to 32 MHz. Next, open the System tab and set the On-Chip Debug Operation setting to COM port. Next, click the Add Component button in the Components tab and add the required modules from here. First, select Voltage Detector and click the Next to proceed. Check the configuration name and resource name, and click the Finish. The Config LDV0 setting screen will open. Set the voltage detection level for reset generation to 1.86 volt. Next, click here to add the ELCL module. Check RL78G23 Common ELCL module and Multiple Parameter Monitoring function, and click the Download. Agree to the contract terms, select ELCL Multiple Parameter Monitoring function, and click the Finish. The graphical setting screen will be displayed, so change the settings of source ABCD, like below. Next, add port. Check port 5 and open the port 5 tab. Change the setting of P53 to out, and place a check mark for output 1. Next, add interrupt controller. Check the box of int P0, and make sure that the valid edge is set to falling edge and the priority level is set to level 3, low. Finally, add 4 timers. Change the operation to 16-bit count mode and select the resource. As input sources, use TAU0123. Here, TAU7 is also used as a chattering prevention for int P0. Set the timer as shown in the following video. For the settings of each component explained in this video so far, please refer to section 5.2 of the application note. Using the Smart Configurator, you can easily perform detailed settings of peripherals with GUI operation. After completing the settings, generate the code. In addition to the code generated by the Smart Configurator, additional processing for the multi-parameter monitoring function is required. Please refer to the application note for the additional code and complete the coding. Finally, we will also introduce how to import the sample project. Select File, Import. Search for the sample project from here, and select RL78G23 ELCL, Multiple Parameter Monitoring Function, Application Note, and click the Finish. Importing is finished. In the next video, we will introduce how to build and configure debug settings for the project. Please continue watching.